Everybody. Today I'm just going to do a sort of a segue from this module 5 on hurricanes and tropical storms to module 6, which is going to be the module on storm stories. And I think one of the big things that's happening with climate change is the warmer oceans are leading to massive precipitation events in these storms. And this is especially true because these storms also are moving slower, as we've discussed. So this forward motion decrease, added with the fact that you've got warmer oceans, is leading to devastating rainfall events. And we're going to talk about one of these, especially next week, which is Hurricane Harvey, that dumped more than 60 inches of rain in parts of Houston in 2017. So in the upper graph, I show basically the evidence for this, which is that warmer air leads to more evaporation because it's a kinetic process. And once you have more evaporation, these storms are holding more moisture, and that leads to more precipitation. And the rate of this is for every 1 degree increase in the air temperature, you have a 4% increase in the amount of water vapor. And the air is warmer because you've got climate change, but also remember the ocean is warmer. So the air that's in contact with the ocean is warmer. And so you think about the Gulf of Mexico. Normally it's in the high 70s. Sometimes recently this ocean has been in the mid 80s, like 85, 86 degrees. So imagine a 6 degree temperature increase in the Gulf of Mexico. That's a 24% increase in water vapor if the ocean and the air temperature right next to it are the same. So it's obviously a very direct effect here. And the diagram that I like to show this best is Hurricane Floyd in North Carolina. And these graphs show basically the amount of rainfall that occurred during this storm. Okay, so this is without climate change, but then you increase the amount of rainfall that occurred with climate change. Actually, I'm not sure whether this is 1800 temperatures and this is today's temperatures, or whether this is today and this is the future. But the point is that you can see that the coastal areas of North Carolina without climate change had 12 to 14 inches of rain, but with climate change have over 18 inches of rain. So that's a 4-inch difference in this area here, close to the coastline. So this shows you that with warming, storms are going to become increasingly wet. And as we'll see next week with Hurricane Harvey, this was devastating.